Hey guys, welcome back to another Redstone tutorials. In this video I'll show you how to make a key. So obviously I can't get outside. I can't get inside my house. I put in wood as the key. It's not gonna open. Okay? Oh my god. Okay, now if I put my diamond, it opened and now I'm in my house. E E E Okay, so I will teach you guys how to do that. Wait, is my sound on? That's why I couldn't hear anything. Anyways, so I'll teach you guys how to do that. So first, let me go get my stuff. Alright guys, so this is the setup we want. We need it to be frick 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 by 6. So we'll start by doing this. We'll crouch. Wait, let me go and creative for a sec. We'll crouch. We'll place the two hoppers down. So yeah, and the last hopper, you want to put in 63 items of your key. And then you want to get 4 non-stackable items. So you go put it in here. So now over here, put the comparator. Put a redstone torch there. Put it here. So what this will do is, if once it detects this is full, this will light up and power up everything. So yeah. So you want to put your 12 redstone dust like this. Like this. Then you put one of your 2 blocks here. Put it here. Put the redstone torch there. Sorry, I'm really bad at this, I guess. You go like this. Frick, wait, no. Don't go like that. You have to go like this. Oh my god. Have to go like this. Have to put a block. No, you have to put a block here. A redstone torch. And then yeah. So once we put the diamond in here, the door opens. If you want to put in, if you need 5 diamonds, it doesn't have to be diamonds. If you want let's say if you want more, you just take 5 diamonds from there, put it in here, 5, and then it'll open. So you can do that for a map if you need to collect 5 diamonds from each level, and then for the final level you put it like that. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys.